In an experiment conducted at a university, participants are asked to react to a stimulus such as pressing a key upon seeing a blue screen. The time to press the key in seconds is measured, and the same person is then asked to press a key upon seeing a red screen, again with the time to react measured. The results are shown. At the 0.05 level of significance, is there enough evidence to support the claim that the median reaction time to the blue stimulus is different from the median reaction time to the red stimulus? Use the Wilcoxon signed rank test. First, let's calculate the differences and the ranks. So the difference is equal to x minus y. So 0.174, 0.074, 0.299, negative 0.135, 0.229, and negative 0.083. Next, we calculate the absolute value, so this will remove any negative signs. Then we sort these in order from smallest to largest. So 0.074, 0.083, 0.135, 0.174, 0.229, and 0.299. Now, because there are no ties, the ranks will just be 1 through 6. And finally, to get the signed rank, we need to apply the original sign of the difference to the rank. So 0.074 was positive, so this will be a +1. 0.083 was originally negative, so this will be a -2. 0.135 was originally negative, so this will be a -3. 0.174 was originally positive, so this is a +4. 0.229 was originally positive, so this will be a +5. And 0.299 was originally positive, so this is a +6. So the claim is that median 1 is not equal to median 2. So this is the alternative hypothesis, which means this is a two-tailed test. And the null hypothesis is that median 1 is equal to median 2. Alpha is 0.05. N is the number of non-zero differences. And because none of them were 0, N is just 6. And to find the critical value, let's look at the table. So the critical value is 0. To find T+, we add up the positive ranks and then take the absolute value to get 16. To find T-, we add up the negative ranks and then take the absolute value to get 5. Now, because this is a two-tailed test, we want the smaller of T+ and T-. So in this case, it's going to be 5. So T is greater than the critical value. So we fail to reject the null hypothesis. And the conclusion would be, at the 0.05 level of significance, there is not enough evidence to support the claim that the median reaction time to the blue stimulus is different from the median reaction time to the red stimulus.